Assalamualaikum, my name is Dana Airisha Balkis binti Rozaiman, nombor matrik F1127.
Nama saya Logeshwaran dan nombor saya ialah F1140.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Aina Sarah binti Mutazah, nombor matrik 01DIT24F1125. So today we will guide everyone at the Android user or iOS. This will help. So we will explain navigation of the device OS, management or application and interface. To begin with the mobile operating system, we will start with a brief overview of Android and iOS OS. For the Android is developed by Google and is the most widely and used mobile OS worldwide. Known for its open source nature, which allows developers and manufacturers to modify it. This provides a high level of customization for users, including widgets, launchers, and multiple app accesses, often found on devices by various brands like Samsung, Huawei, and Google Pixels, making it available at different price points. For Apple iOS operating system, developed exclusively by Apple for devices like the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Known for its closed ecosystem and high level of security and privacy, Apple controls both the hardware and software, providing a more unified and stable experience, user-friendly and straightforward interface that is consistent across devices, with limited customization but a smooth and optimized performance.
Okey, sambung daripada itu ialah untuk soalan 1B, key difference between Android and iOS. Ada beberapa aspek, which is one of it is user interface. Untuk Android, dia highly customizable sebab dia ada widget and launchers. Meanwhile iOS, dia minimal sebab dia ada unified design. Apart from that, App Store, which is Android ada Google Play Store and third party optional banyak lagi. And iOS just ada App Store saja, Apple App Store. Apart from that, system updates and Android ada macam-macam manufacturers dia. Tapi iOS ada dia control by Apple je. Multitasking, Android dia boleh ada split screen and picture in picture. Tapi iOS just ada limited split screen and less flexible juga. Apart from that, integration, Google service do works well. Meanwhile, iOS dia strong integration and dengan Apple ecosystem. Lastly, untuk security, Android dia open source and dia vulnerable, and iOS dia closed source tapi high security. Okay, next, task 2, installing application and content. And soalan first dia, method of installing application and content, pull versus push. Pull method, dalam pull method, user initiate the installation by downloading app or content directly from App Store. And the most common method, sebab dia most usually for personal app downloads and sangat simple. Meanwhile, push method, dalam ni content is sent to a device remotely by an administrator. Dari asing dia send untuk kepada content dia. And this sangat useful dekat workplace untuk make sure semua staff dapat necessary apps. And contoh dia ialah mobile device management.
Step-by-step instruction for installing a sample application. For pull method, Android, first open the Google Play Store. Second, search for the desired apps like WhatsApp. Third, tap install. After that, wait for the download and installation to complete. Lastly, open the app from the home screen. For the iOS, first open the App Store. Second, search for the desired apps like WhatsApp. Third, tap get or the download icon. Fourth, wait for the apps to install. Lastly, launch the app from the home screen.
Next, push method. Android using Google Play Management. First, ensure the device is connected to the internet. Second, admin sets the app to the device via an MDM platform. Third, the app automatically downloads and installs on the device. For iOS, using Apple Configurator or MDM, first, admin configures the app in the MDM platform. Second, the app is pushed to the iOS device. Third, the app installs automatically without user intervention.
So for Android touch interface, identify and explain the item on the Android home screen. First, apps icon. These are the icon for the apps installed on your device. Tap on an icon to open the app. So second, app drawer. This is where all apps are stored. You can open it by swiping up or down on the screen. Third, widgets. Small app for feature that show information or shortcuts like waiter or calendar. After that, status bar located at the top of the screen. It shows important info like time, battery and notification. For navigation, buttons at the bottom. There are buttons like back, home and recent app to navigate through the device. For dock, the bottom area where you can place your most used apps. And lastly, search bar, a bar at the top to search for apps, contacts or information. Tutorial on managing apps, widgets and folders on Android. First, placing apps on the home screen. To add apps to your home screen for quick access. Step 1. Open the app drawer by swiping up or down on the home screen. Step 2. Find the app you want to place on your home screen. Step 3. Tap and hold the app icon. Step 4. Drag the app icon to the desired location on the home screen. Release the app icon to place it. Second, moving apps on the home screen. To rearrange or moving apps to different location. First step, tap and hold the app icon you want to move. Step 2, drag the app to a new position on the same home screen or swipe to the different home screen if you want to move it there.
Yes.
Step 3, release the app icon when you have placed in the desired location. Third, creating folder on the home screen. Folder are great way to organize app by category like social media or productivity. Step 1, tap and hold the first app you want to place in the folder. Step 2, drag the app over another app you want it in the same folder. Step 3, a folder will automatically be created. The apps will be stacked together and you can assign a name to folder by tapping on the folder and editing the name. Step 4, to add more apps to the folder, drag them into the folder.
Next, number 4, moving apps in and out of folder. To recognize apps inside folder or move them back to the home screen, step 1, just tap the folder to open it, then tap and hold the app you want to move. Drag the app out of the folder and drop it in the home screen to another folder. To remove the app from the home screen, drag it to the app drawer. Next, uninstalling apps, which to uninstall app, you need to open the app drawer by swiping on the home screen. Find the app you want to uninstall, tap and hold the app icon, select uninstall or remove from the menu that appears, and confirm that you want to uninstall by selecting OK. And next will be adding widgets to the home screen, where tap and hold an empty space on the home screen. From the option that appear, tap widgets. Browse to the available widgets and tap on the widget they want to add. Drag the widget you want to decide location on the home screen and then release it. Apart from this, and the last one will be removing widgets from the home screen. If you want to remove a widget, just tap and hold the widget you want to remove, drag it to the remove all trash can icon at the top of the screen, release the widget and it will be removed from the home screen. Alright, the last task, the task 4, which iOS touch interface. It asks to identify and expand the items on the iOS home screen. So the first one will be app icon. These are the small clickable icons that represent the app installed on your device. You can tap on them to open and close. The next one will be dock, located at the bottom of the screen. The dock is a space where you can place up to 4 of your most used apps. The apps in the dock remain visible no matter which place on the home screen you are on. Apart from it is widgets. These are the small app extensions that display useful information like weather, news, calendars directly to your home screen. You can tap them for more detail or interact with them without opening the full app. And the last one will be status bar. The search bar at the top of the screen shows the important information of the like time, battery level, Wi-Fi or cellular single Wi-Fi.
For app library, this is a new feature in iOS since iOS 14 that organizes all the apps into categories. It accessed by sweeping left past the last home screen page. You can search for apps here or add them to the home screen. For the search bar, sweeping down from the middle of the home screen brings up Spotlight Search, where you can quickly search for apps, contacts, message, emails, and even web content. For the control center, you can swipe down from the top right on device without a home button to access control center. It lets you quickly adjust settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, screen brightness and volume. Notification center, swipe down from the top left or top center to access your notification such as missed call, message or apps alert.
B. Tutorial on managing apps and further on iOS. First, placing apps on the home screen. So to add an app to your home screen from the app library, step 1, swipe to the app library by sweeping left until you reach the last page. Step 2, browse through the app categories or use the search bar at the top to find the app you want. Step 3, tap and hold the app icon. Step 4, drag the app to the home screen. Release the app where you want it. The second, moving apps on the home screen. To rearrange apps on your home screen, step 1, tap and hold the app icon you want to move. Step 2, after a few seconds, the app will start to jiggle. Step 3, drag the app to the new position on the same screen or swap to another home screen page if need. Step 4, release the app once it's in the desired location. Step 5, tap done in the top right corner to stop the jiggling or press the home button on other device. Third, creating folders on the home screen. Folder help you organize apps by category. Here's how to create a folder. Step 1, tap and hold the first app you want to add to a folder. Step 2, drag it over another app that you want in the same folder. Step 3, when the two apps are overlapped, a folder will automatically be created. Step 4, you can name the folder by tapping on the folder name field and typing a name. Step 5, to add more apps to the folder, drag them into the folder. Step 6, tap down when you are finished organizing the folder. For number 4, uninstalling apps. To free up space or remove apps you no longer need, follow these steps. So first, tap and hold the app icon you want to uninstall. Step 2, tap remove app from the menu that appears. Step 3, select the delete app to uninstall it completely. Step 4, confirm the action by tapping delete. The app will be removed from your device. 5, using the app library to organize apps. Instead of cluttering your home screen with apps, you can let iOS organize them for you. Step 1, go the app library. Second, tap and hold on app icon in the app library. Step 3, drag the app to the home screen or tap add to home screen to place it there. 6, hiding apps from the home screen. If you want to keep your home screen clean without uninstalled apps, first tap and hold the app you want to hide. Step 2, tap remove app, then choose remove from home screen. The app will be hidden but still available in the app library.